Hey there, home buyers. I'm here in Goose Creek with a beautiful property I can't wait to show you. But look, it's a cut above the rest. Look at this beautiful stone. It's perfectly located here in Goose Creek. We are 10 minutes away from Joint Army Base. We are 30 minutes away from Charleston. And then there's so much going on Highway 52 right up the street. Publix is going in there. We got a Waffle House if that's your thing. But this home has so much good going on for it. Let's go take a look. All right, home buyers, you've seen it yourself. Make this home your own. Otherwise, I will take this screen porch and have all the fun without you. So come and see this home, set up a tour with me. Give me a call at 843-810-3746. Can't wait to hear from you.